Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Crown Point, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is a move that is more than 50 miles from your current address. 3 Movers oversees your long-distance move, so you experience no complications. Our long-distance relocations are stress-free to little to no damages, and we also have excellent insurance in place to cover risks during the move. Our movers are also careful and experienced, and our moving trucks have spacious compartments that secure your belongings during that trip. We also work with all the state and federal authorities in charge of relocation and comply with the regulations. Our professional drivers ensure that your belongings get to the new location damage-free and at the agreed-upon time. Moving within Crown Point can be tricky because of how busy the city can be and the shortage of experienced movers. 3 Movers is actively operating in the town and was brought fast and efficient moves closer to locals. We also know our way around the city, and we move your belongings with no delay. Local moves are less expensive than long-distance moves, and however, 3 Movers provides the cheapest local moves. We charge as low as $30 to $40 an hour. We are accessible 24/7, and we assign a team to your address immediately as you reach out to us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Crown Point moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.